let's go to the presentation. So I'm a leader. So when I'm ready, talk to my group. My name is Yang Yichu and Cheng Zhiguang and Su Heshun. Okay, next we're ready to Cheng Zhiguang to talk to her presentation. Okay, we have a table of contents. What about the presentation? The presentation with the OCBC and the government. So what about government and what about OCBC, the bank? So right now we can have the next people to talk about the government to zhiguang.
Hello, I'm Cheng Zhiguang. I will speak next. What is globalization? The term globalization is a phenomenal process in the development of human society. There are many definitions of globalization, and globalization in the use sense refers to the increasing global interconnection, the development of human life on a global scale, and the improvement of global awareness. Stress. Globalization has made it easier than ever to acquire from countries, allowing for the free flow of people, goods, art, and information. Many countries around the world maintain constant contact, so knowledge and technological progress spread rapidly. Weaknesses. Due to global competition, individual companies, organization, and employers might be at a disadvantage. Opportunities. Entering a new market may increase the number of customers, thereby increasing sales revenue. Globalization has brought about multicultural service. When the company decides to transfer its business to another country, where labor is much cheaper, this will lead to an increase in unemployment rate. The increasing demand for goods and services has an impact. The reason for globalization. Bobby Banerjee is a professor of management of Institute of Research and Enterprise at his business school. His research interest is critical management research. Globalization has been a new phenomenon since the 1980s. The role of globalization. Globalization has promoted the integration of world countries. The impact of economic globalization on the ecological environment is twofold. It serves the global ecological crisis while promoting global environmental management. Thank you.
Okay, we already talked about globalization is an elite of product consent and control consent. Globalization is the product of a product contest. Okay, we are ready to talk about globalization is an elite of product consent and control consent. So globalization is the product content and control. It can't elite the equation intention of content elite and context is publication and the conception of business, infrastructure, concession, infrastructure, or equality. About the input of globalization on business. The business globalization, the grammar of customer flow, people, idea, product, contention, and information have a super deep input. Other globalization is connection. Globalization will also contain more operations and education upward. Third, other new marketing and find more context sports and practice how context can use. Globalization can use reach in their own business event and date defend globalization to create concept globalization and make informal dissent in its roles good and bad. Globalization and organization dissent making and street. The importance of globalization on audio dissent making and street. The importance of globalization on organization, design, maker, and street. Globalization can be a broad to elite, current board, road in equation, prediction, press, knowledge, and use, reconstruction, knows, labor, and hot by all concepts. And communication and operation again. What is information development learned from government? Express. Equation dilution ledger la concession street compass to a cardinal compass such as a diverse title in forever market birthing from a cut of SAS. Learning from government expression and knows a question and the over practice of the context has also been greatly improved. Also, value activity list met can only be equated to a module V2 for development concept. The effort shows delicate indicating that there are three many assignments to concept. And the last one to talk about remarks by separate body budget. There are many changes included in the television, content, modern session, and post-mode content of the initial group. Belgium also arrived at the reason why the reason to movement. It is changed as child later than natural environment or group graph because the street change of late context in the face of a cut adjacent. It's the concept the word under the title of fragmentation, the development of each matter arrives and the children of that matter and the consent.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm the last one for this group. My name is heshun. So I will present the OCBC Bank history. So here's the three part of the OCBC Bank history. First part is the OCBC Bank began start at the 1912, and the preparatory official office was established in 1959, and OCBC development so far. So I will tell the more detail in this part. So OCBC Bank is the earliest local bank established in Singapore. It was formed in 1938 by the manager of three major Chinese banks, the earliest of which was built in 1912. OCBC Bank is the second largest financial service group in Southeast Asia in terms of assets of one of the most highly rated banks in the world. The base of office was established in 1959 and officially opened on March 1, 1961. So far, the bank has 58 business units. The financial capital of OCBC Bank was only 100 million. After several capital increase, the stock was officially listed on the OCT on December 21 in 1988. So here's the next part, OCBC globalization. Here's also the three parts. First one is the scale of globalization development and the globalization business skills, the popularity of OCBC Bank after this globalization. So I will introduce the detail also. An important step of OCBC Bank is to achieve globalization is to cater to the culture of other countries and launch the local currency transaction system, as well as to compete with the laws and the regulation of the local government. Through previous effects, OCBC Bank's main market now include Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Great China. OCBC Bank has more than 500 branches and representative office in 50 countries and regions. And OCBC Bank is subsidiary provide a full range of professional financial service to customers at home and abroad, including personal business, corporate business, investment business, private banking business, transaction banking business, treasury business, insurance, and asset management and stock brokerage business. After OCBC Bank went online and developed globally, it promote brand awareness and promote local and overseas economic development. So here comes the next part, OCBC globalization risks. It also have the three risks: management risk, exchange rate risk, and country risks. Here we begin with the first part, management risks. So the first part is management risk refers to the level of management that is affected by information asymmetry, poor management, and misjudgment in the process of management operation because cultural difference after globalization will from the risk of the management difference. Here comes the next part, exchange rate risk. Next part is exchange rate risk. During a certain period of international economic transaction, assets and liability denominated in foreign currencies by have the possibility of rising or falling in value due to exchange rate. So last part, country risks. So it refers to the possibility of loss caused by national savage behavior in international economic activities. Next slide is OCBC globalization benefits. Here comes the 4 benefits. First one, expand market coverage, competitive advantage, overcome talent shortage, cut costs. So here comes the details of this part. Expand market coverage. As global market expand, goods and services can be distributed more quickly around the world. Competitive advantage is by focusing on meeting the demands for effectiveness, production, and competitiveness in every market, your company will gain a higher perceived value and increase sales and overcome talent shortage and cut costs. Here's my last part, globalization proposal. Learn about local laws and policies, understand the needs of the people at the bottom, requiring talent people to work for companies at home and abroad. Here comes the detail. By understanding local laws and policies, we can effectively adjust our business model and reduce the risk caused by currency exchange rate change. Understand the needs of the people that at the bottom and open the corresponding service needs. The more people you serve, the more benefit you will get. Requiring excellent talents to work in demonstrate and foreigner companies can allow them to better manage OCBC Bank and also bring better brand evaluation and benefits and avoid profit loss caused by mistakes. So here's our reference. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for your time and listen to our presentation.